All right, in today's video we are going to learn the easiest and the simplest 5 minute and 1 minute trading strategy, scalping strategy. Okay, this strategy I learned this strategy from Forex. Okay, it is a scalping strategy that we use in the 5 minutes and then the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you. I want your full attention here. Don't skip. For a beginner, watch this video to the end, and if you like my content, subscribe to the channel. And you have a question, you comment in the comment section. Okay, so the pair you are seeing right now here is the GBP USD pair. Remember this strategy works best with the pound pairs. Okay, the pound pairs, GBP USD, GBP AUD, GBP card, GBP NZD, the pairs that the pound is attached to. That is where this strategy works best. Okay, that is where I've been using it and it's working. Okay, so if you want to trade this strategy that I'm about to show you, I'll recommend you trade it with the pound pairs. Okay, so you can backtest and see how it goes. We are going to use one indicator that a lot of people use. The indicator is invented by some famous trader. The name is Bill Williams. Okay, the name of this indicator is Alligator Indicator. Okay, we are going to be using the Alligator Indicator. It's a best strategy. I mean, a lot of professional traders use it. It is simple and you can use it anytime. It doesn't matter the market. Like, you can use it for a beginner, like advanced too. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring the indicator on the screen so that you guys can see how to apply it. So I'm going to my indicator session and I'm gonna bring it on the screen. So you can go to indicator session and you can see I have it here, favorited Williams Alligator. So I'm going to tap on it and then bring it on the screen. Okay, so as you can see, it's already on the screen. All right, and it's already on the screen, and the default setting is there. I haven't changed anything. Make sure you don't change anything. The jaw length, teeth length, it's like they've named it after the alligator. The alligator, we all know how the alligator is. You see, it's very calm, but if you want to attack, it attacks very fast. So that is how it is. The tool is very calm, but it catches the trade very fast. Okay, so you can see the jaw, the teeth. So you can see when you bring it on the screen, don't change anything, just leave it the way it is. Okay, leave it, don't change anything on the screen. All right, the best time frame that you can use this strategy is the 5 minutes and the 1 minute. You can use it on the 15 minutes on the one, or the 1 hour as a trade confluence. Okay, if I say trade confluence, that means you are adding it to your trade confirmation for entry. All right, but if you want to use it like fully as your strategy, use it in the 1 minute or the 5 minutes. And that is where it is actually work best. The win rate is very high when you use it on the smaller time frame. Okay, so first of all, what you have to start doing is you first have to find the trend the market is in. Okay, that is it. Always find a trend. We don't want to be trading against the big boys, the Elon Musk or the institutions, the banks. Okay, you want to be trading where the banks are trading. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and then find the trend direction and be able to trade according to the trend direction. So you can see this, looking at this pair, you can see GBP USD has been bearish for a very, very long time. From here, started the push from here to the downside. Okay, so GBP USD has been dropping. Okay, so you'll be looking for selling opportunities because price is dropping. Okay, and anything buy should be a quick scalp and you are out. Okay, so that is it. And I am going to go ahead and mark my highs in the market on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, you mark your highs, the areas price has been turning around. Okay, so marking my highs in the market. Because these are the highs that price has been creating in the market. This high was a previous high, pushed the downside. You can see this side was a previous high, price broke it, retested back here, dropped to the downside to this place, pushed back to this previous high here, and now it's coming to the downside. Okay, and if there's a break from here, then to the downside. Okay, So that is how to find the trend direction. Now we are in a downtrend and we are trying to find trading entry. So after identify your trend, you go back to the 15-minute time frame. I am in a 15-minute time frame, okay? And this is how to apply the strategy. You can see on a 15-minute time frame, price push from here. You can see, looking at this side, when price broke the alligator, all the three EMAs, price broke all the three EMAs. There's a massive push to the upside, okay? So this is our trade confirmation that we are going to look at and take trades. Anytime price crosses the alligator, all the three alligator, and is bouncing from a support, okay, we are taking a buying entry. All right, we are taking a buying entry on the 15 minutes, or on the 5 minutes and the 1 minute. Okay, right now here we are on the 15 minutes and we are seeing the bounce, the break. Okay, so you should see the break of the price through the EMAs or through the alligator on the 15 minutes. Then you scale down to the 5 minutes or the 1 minute and take the trade. So you can see this side. Let me delete it so that you can see it clearly. You can see this side on the 15 minute, this was the previous low here, and price break all the EMAs in the alligator and came back to retest. So we should be looking ahead to buy here. I told you the trend is a downtrend, so a buy should be a scalp. Okay, so we scale down to the smaller time frame, which is the 5 minutes, and then we find trade setup. You can see, so this will be a buy trade. 15 minutes, 5 minutes, confirming the same trend. So we buy, stop loss here, we target the immediate swing, immediate key level. Okay, and you can see it would have been a TP hit. All right, so that is it on this one. And you can see, let's go and check for other example. Now look at this one, this place too, the same thing. Price has crossed below the alligator indicator. Okay, all the EMAs inside the alligator indicator, price has been able to cross below it. All right, so if price has crossed below it, we need to scale to the 5 minute time frame and find whether we can get trading set up. Okay, in the 5 minutes, we should be seeing the same crossover. Price should be below the EMA, and you can see in the 5 minutes, you can see price is still below the EMA. The cross has happened already. Okay, so this is another trade entry. You can take it and then stop loss just above the immediate key level. Then you target immediate structure, then you target the immediate key level. Okay, stop loss should be at the top of the structure, a place where if price get to, you are wrong. Okay, then you target the immediate low, and you can see price is coming there to hit the take profit. Okay, all right, it will make something like this, and then at the end of the day come hit take profit. Okay, or maybe it will come and hit take profit street. Okay, so that is it on this one too. Let's go check other examples on maybe. So let's go and see. Okay, so looking at this side, you can see price was dropping from a key level here, and the cross of the EMA happened here. All right, so let's go to 5 minutes and see whether there will be a clear trade entry for us. So we are in the 5 minutes. Let's go to where price reach, and you can see the same thing happening here. This was where price crossed the EMA on the 15 minutes. You can see, and also in the 5 minutes too, we are seeing the same crossover here. The EMA is above, price is below, so this place will be a trade entry also for us. Stop loss just above the structure, then we target the immediate key level. Okay, and you can see that one to take profit would have been hit. So let's go to maybe GBP card. This is your GBP USD. Let's go to maybe the GBP card or GBP JPY, and let's analyze and try and see whether it works also there. Okay, so I'm on the GBP card, currency pair, and as usual, you know what we do. We have to go to the 1 hour time frame and find our immediate high and support, the support and resistance, or the supply and demand areas in the market. Okay, so I'm marking them. This side is where the turnaround happened. The top here is where the turnaround happened. Okay, this place was where the turnaround happened. You can see. Okay, this side too has been a turnaround area. Okay, so mark it on the 1 hour time frame. Then we scale down to the 15 minutes to find the EMA crossover, the alligator crossover. Okay, so on the 15 minutes, you can see it happening here. Price is bouncing from a support, cross the EMA. You can see cross the alligator EMAs. So this will be a trade entry on the 5-minute time frame. Scale down to the 5-minute time frame, and then you see price is still above the EMAs. So this will be a trade entry for you. Stop loss just below structure. Then you target the immediate swing, immediate key level. You can see price cross EMA here, came back to retest. This would have been a trade entry also to the upside. Okay, so backtest this on a demo account, and then see it works. So you just have to backtest and then find a way of tuning and then trading with it, guys. It work. Okay, you can see in 15 minutes the same crossover happen here. When you go to the 5 minutes, it should also happen in the 5 minutes. You can see 5 minutes, the same thing is happening there. So it will be a trade entry. Target the immediate swing. Okay, so that is it on this one, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video.